The public sector is dominated by a mobile workforce needing continuous access to online resources. Jisc, the provider of digital services and solutions, is making this easier with its GovRoam service, which offers zero-touch access to connectivity. Our reporter found out how automatic login wherever GovRoam is offered means that staff can focus on their jobs rather than negotiating access.
Imagine an easy-to-use Wi-Fi network, one that can be accessed across multiple sites, using a single, securely authenticated sign-on managed by your organisation. Jisc, an expert provider of UK digital services and solutions, has done exactly that. It's come up with a solution. Thanks to GovRoam, employees of the public sector, like doctors here at the Medway Maritime Hospital, can use the same login no matter where they're working, and all with the secure access needed. This simplified access means that staff no longer have to worry about connectivity and can instead work more effectively from location to location.
The benefits of using GovRoam for us mean that we can interoperate better with our partners and colleagues within other NHS organisations. So, for example, within Medway, we have Medway Community Healthcare, we have GPs, we have other trusts. So that means that we can share our network securely and enable them to reach the services that they need.
GovRoam was launched in August 2017 and uses the same technology as EduRoam, the UK's education and research Wi-Fi network, which is currently in 95% of higher education establishments.
We came up with a network design that allowed the user to arrive already set up with a set of credentials that would then be verified in real time back at their home organisation, and there would be a trust agreement between the visited site and the home site that whoever the home site said we will authenticate and take responsibility for this user's actions, the visited site would then provide the connectivity. We've run that very successfully on a global scale now for some 15 or more years, and there was a very strong desire on our part to take this development that we produce with public money and transfer that back to the rest of the public sector so they could share the benefits.
Those benefits include large savings across the public sector, reducing support costs for visitors and data roaming charges for staff moving between locations. Another important benefit of GovRoam is increased security. With over 40 years' experience in the public sector, Jeff Wallbank recognises the importance of having one integrated network.
Instead of having multiple organisation-based local networks, we need to look and say, is there a solution that we can use one internal network that will suit every public sector organisation? In my opinion, this is where GovRoam starts to actually physically work. It's a roaming service that is specific to public service at this point in time, and it will enable every public sector organisation to use that internal network as one. Completely removes the need for multiple networks inside of the building, removing multiple security headaches.
Secure access, a single login between sites, easy to use, tried and tested. And key to it all, GovRoam frees up staff to get on with the work that really counts.
My goal is to have the GovRoam network be just like water from a tap or light when you flick a light switch. It's just there when you need it. You don't have to plan for it. You don't have to sign away your soul to get at it. There's no negotiation. It's just one of the services you assume will be there. So we're getting connectivity out of the way of doing real productive work. And that's really important where the work you're talking about is blue light services or health. And there's really important things on the line. It's not just checking emails.